Hello guys, welcome to my new video. I haven't posted in a couple days. Yeah. Anyways, I'm making a new video. Yeah. This is my video. Demolition Derby. I'm gonna destroy some cars because I want to. Wow, this car looks cool. I'm gonna pick it. Amazing. Now I'm driving it. Now let's press the Y key, and now I'm moving. Yay! Boom! Uh-oh! I lost some parts of my car, but I'm dead. Right now. Time to go into an ambulance. Someone in Robloxia died in a car crash. I have to go save them. Nah, actually, I don't want to save them. I'm just gonna try to get on one of these ramps because I want to. I'm gonna go on this ramp. Whoa, that was actually kind of cool. And I'm getting back on. Okay, if I ain't getting on that one, I ain't getting on one, I guess. Oh yeah, I'm going. Yo, that was actually kind of cool. Whoa, that was cool. I like this Roblox game. Oh, alright. Kill me. There we go, I killed myself. Yay! The fastest car, let's see this. I'm going on the fastest car and what the the other ones look pretty good. This looks like it was made by a 5-year-old. Which I guess I would make this. This is what my car would have looked like if I built it. Honestly, it would have been worse because I don't know how to make blocks circular. I don't know how to. I'm dumb. I don't know how Roblox work that much. Man, the car's already falling apart. I don't like this car. Well, I ain't ever using that car again. Wow, it's orange, my favorite color. I'm picking this one because it's orange and I need orange because it's my favorite color. Yes. My life is a million times better now because I'm using an orange car. Yo! That was actually kind of cool. Man, I'm going so fast. This will be so satisfying. Well, it wasn't so satisfying because I perfectly went for the hole and didn't touch any of those. If I touched any of them, my car would have went bye-bye. Anyways, I gotta get the RE7 again. There we go. Car, Y, there we go. Mama! Yes. Uh-oh. That ain't good. That is good. That's good. Help me. I think I should be trusted to drive. I'm 9 years old. I should be trusted to drive. Totally. I should totally be trusted to drive. Maybe I shouldn't, actually. Oof. I'm dead. No, actually, I'm too far away from the RE7. Let's just use this. It looks pretty fast. That looks pretty fast. Let me jump on it. How did I die? How? What the heck? Report! There's no one in the game, so how do I report anybody? I've never clicked that button in my life. What does that do? I'm going into a police car. Or do I want to take the RE7? I think I'm going to take that one. Full screen! Cool. Time to regenerate it. Oh, okay. car. Y key. There we go. I'm gonna do something that might be kind of satisfying. Car destroyed. Yeah. Okay, so I know these black walls kill me. I don't know why, but they do. Yeah. Yeah, too far away. I'm just gonna take this one. Nah, that one kills me, but so I can't even get in it. I played this game when I wasn't recording, and that one sucks. So, Take the bulldozer. Never used it, but it looks cool. Please, Mama, come on. Let's see if this is a particularly fast one. Probably not. And oh, it is fast. And I'm already doomed. Oh my god, that's kind of a weird position. Oh my god. Let's just not talk about that. Right now I'm trying not to die in my mind. Mama, 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 mama. There we go. I don't have to scream mama more. I don't have to say that anymore. I say it as a joke. I don't have to say mama as a joke anymore. Mama! Maybe I did have to. My front wheels are gone. Bye-bye. I thought I was doing bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye. Yeah! Police car, Toyota. Wait, no, I'm close to my favorite car, so I have to get that. There we go. Oh, mama, 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 mama. My mama call. Don't ask why I do that. Come on, jump, jump, jump! My space key sucks. Man. I ain't going on that ramp anymore. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes. Speed off, mama. I can see my car racing around in the studio. Got a studio open. I can see what's going on. You know, so you may be wondering why I have no one's playing with me in these videos. I have a server on my computer, and I just have only one player can play on those servers that I have. So it's just me, and the first time I'm actually sitting in it, and not just having my arms raised or just being in a standing position. Finally, I'm actually sitting. And my Roblox character is finally human. I don't know if you want your Roblox character human, honestly. Actually, I'm gonna try some different cars. Police car. I'm the police now. How cool. How cool, I'm the police now, yeah. Car. I'm still hearing walking. Must be a glitch. Oh, we're going straight into the satisfying thing, and I don't want to be there. Oh. I want to try out some of these cool ramps. I would have added cool music, but I don't want to chat. I hate typing. I hate typing. That's a thing about me. I don't like typing. Or know how to type, really. Why are my legs just up and my arms are like that? I'm in the zombie position. I don't know why. Come on, I can't go on that ramp. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Actually, I want to get revenge on that car. I need to get in it as revenge for killing me multiple times. You ain't doing that anymore, car. I hate this. I hate this car. Can I say I hate this in this chat? In the chat, can I say that? Only thing I can... I'm just gonna say that because I guess I died. I hate the fastest car. Please, car. Actually, I'm just gonna go to my favorite car. Nah, this is closer and I like it. So, mama. Do I want to do the satisfying thing? No. I want to go on that ramp. Yeah! Satisfying. My car got completely destroyed. Flawed. One day, somebody was walking, and then they randomly died. Nobody knows why. Truck, I wonder how slow that's gonna be. Trucks are slow. And yeah, I don't want to use it, but I am. Because I don't know. I was going to say I want to, but I don't want to. There we go. This is unimaginably slow. Why would anybody want this? Dude, let me try going on that ramp that I can always get on. Okay, I actually got on it, but nothing cool happened. Just kill me. Just kill myself already. Yes, exactly what I wanted. Mario's on fire! Nah! I'm just gonna use this one, I don't care. I don't care if it's slow anymore. Besides the truck, I care. Okay, this actually ain't that bad. I said, oh. Okay, maybe I was misremembering. Because I played this game like a while ago. I recorded it, but I thought the recording was bad, so I just never posted it. Oh no. I'm doing flips. I did flips. How cool. I'm gonna go in here. This was the one that's bad. Yeah, I remember that now. Can I get it? Bruh, how did I die? It wasn't even moving. The car crash did not even happen. And of course, the game wants me to come here. Yay, I'm actually in. Now, let me press the Y key. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This clearly does not want to drive. It's literally on its side. Well, I have no choice but to say bye-bye. Well, there goes that car. I'm gonna try to use all of them besides the one over there. I don't think I have any more cars that I have to use. I think I've used all of them besides the one that kills me when I touch it. I don't think I'm ever gonna ride the one that kills me when I touch it. Actually, it is my mission to get it. That damn car. Let me get on that damn car. Yo, I'm actually on it. There should be like a world record that I'm actually on this car. I'm missing a leg. It took my leg, but whatever. I'm in it. That's the only thing that matters. I'm in this car, and it is fast. Oh my god, that's fast. I like this car, but shame that it kills me every time I try to get on it. And I'm losing a wheel. And of course when I jumped, I immediately died. That's kind of what I wanted anyways. Because I wanted to respawn. Here. Okay, there's no more cars left. I couldn't even play more. Actually, I am going to play more. I don't care anymore. Oh no, the truck. The truck sucks. I remember. Bulldozer, that was okay. I'm gonna use the bulldozer and then I'm gonna end the video. Bulldozer, let me demolish people. Mama, I'm on here. Wow, let me go on a ramp, please. Oh no, it doesn't want me going on ramps. It seems like help. Okay. I almost hit the satisfying thing, and I didn't want to, because then it would have killed me, and I just wanted to make this video longer, I guess. Are you kidding me? There we go. Wow. Well, I died. Anyways, bye. See you like in 3 days or something. I don't know. Bye.